If you've ever tried to navigate a small bathroom that feels cluttered and chaotic, you know how frustrating it can be. But the truth is, with a little organization and some smart planning, a small bathroom can feel just as comfortable, efficient, and even luxurious as a larger one. Today, let's talk about the advantages, the benefits, and the real importance of organizing a small bathroom. And of course, I'll give you plenty of tips, ideas, and suggestions that will transform your space into something functional, beautiful, and calming. First of all, when you organize a small bathroom, you instantly create a sense of spaciousness, even without adding a single extra square foot. Clutter is the number one thing that makes any room feel tight, and in a small bathroom, it's especially noticeable. Just by putting things in the right places and using smart storage solutions, you can open up visual space. This doesn't just make your bathroom feel bigger. It also makes it easier to clean, easier to move around in, and more enjoyable to use. And really, who doesn't want a bathroom that feels fresh and welcoming? There's also a real benefit to knowing exactly where everything is. If you've ever found yourself hunting for your toothbrush, or that specific face cream in the morning rush, you understand how disorganization can steal your time and add unnecessary stress. Organizing your bathroom helps you build a routine that's smooth and efficient. You're not digging through drawers or knocking over bottles. You know where everything goes and everything has a home. That kind of predictability might seem small, but it makes a huge difference in how you start and end your day. Now let's talk tips. One of the most important things to do in a small bathroom is to use vertical space. Walls are your best friends here. Add shelves above your toilet or beside your mirror. Try wall-mounted baskets or small cabinets to store towels, toiletries, or even extra toilet paper. Over-the-door organizers can hold hair tools, skin products, or cleaning supplies without taking up floor space. Even the back of cabinet doors can be used with small adhesive hooks or slim organizers to keep things like brushes or razors out of the way but still accessible. Another smart idea is to think in terms of zones. Create designated spots for different types of items, like a daily use section, a backup supply section, and a guest section if you need one. When everything has a zone, your bathroom won't fall into chaos the next time you buy new shampoo or get gifted some bath products. You'll know right away where they belong. Now let's get creative with containers. Clear bins, labeled baskets, and drawer dividers are some of the best tools for organizing a small bathroom. They help you group similar items together and keep things from turning into one big, messy pile. Drawer dividers especially make a big impact. They stop everything from sliding around and mixing together, and they help you see what you have at a glance. If your vanity doesn't offer much storage, look for freestanding furniture pieces like slim cabinets, ladder shelves, or narrow carts that can fit into tight corners. Rolling carts are great because they can move with you and be tucked away when not in use. Some people even use spice racks or kitchen organizers in the bathroom because they're perfect for small bottles and containers. Don't be afraid to repurpose things from other areas of your home if they fit your bathroom size and style. Maximizing under-sink space is also key. This area is often underused or completely wasted. Use stackable drawers or tension rods to create levels and sections. A lazy Susan can be a game changer under the sink. It lets you access things in the back without pulling everything out. You'd be surprised how much more you can store when you use the full height and depth of the cabinet intelligently. Lighting matters more than people think when it comes to small bathrooms. A well-lit space feels bigger and cleaner. If your lighting is dim or outdated, consider upgrading to brighter, whiter bulbs or installing a sleek LED mirror. It not only helps visually, but it also makes it easier to do your daily grooming with precision. Better lighting brings more attention to how tidy your space looks, and trust me, a well-organized bathroom under good light really shines. When choosing decor, less is more. You want things to feel airy and calm, so stick with a cohesive color scheme and minimize visual clutter. Maybe use matching containers for cotton balls and Q-tips, or store daily essentials like soap and lotion in beautiful refillable glass bottles. Add a small plant if you have the space. It brings a natural touch and helps the bathroom feel fresher. One often overlooked area is the shower. If you're using the edge of your tub or the floor to store shampoo and body wash, it's time for an upgrade. Install a shower caddy, use hanging organizers, or stick up corner shelves. Keeping things off the floor makes everything look more intentional and hygienic. Plus, it makes cleaning the shower so much easier. Maintaining the organization is just as important as setting it up. Make it a habit to go through your items once a month. Toss expired products, donate what you're not using, and readjust your storage if something's not working. Organization is not a one-time thing. It evolves with your habits and your lifestyle. That's why it's important to be flexible and willing to tweak things as needed. The real importance of organizing a small bathroom goes beyond just making it look nice. It's about creating a peaceful environment in a space that you use every day. It's about saving time, reducing stress, and bringing a sense of order and calm into your home. An organized bathroom is a more relaxing place to take a bath, a more efficient space to get ready in the morning, and an easier room to maintain overall. You'll find yourself spending less time looking for things and more time enjoying your routine. When your bathroom is organized, it creates a ripple effect throughout your entire home. That sense of order, that calm, that clarity, it often motivates you to organize other areas too. It's like once you see how much smoother things feel in the bathroom, you start to crave that same ease in your kitchen, your closet, even your entryway. So in a way, organizing a small bathroom becomes a gateway to a more organized lifestyle overall. One tip that often gets overlooked is choosing dual-purpose or multifunctional items. In a small space, every object needs to earn its place. So think about things like a mirror cabinet that doubles as storage, or a hamper that also works as a stool, or a toothbrush holder with compartments for additional grooming tools. Even a small towel rack that folds away when not in use can make a huge difference. These kinds of smart pieces help you get the most out of every inch. And let's not forget how much impact it makes when you minimize what you actually keep in the bathroom. You don't need 5 body washes and 6 types of moisturizer all at once. Try keeping only your most used items in the bathroom and storing backup or overflow elsewhere. This minimalist approach helps prevent clutter from building up and makes your space feel instantly more peaceful. Another really helpful idea is to be intentional with your daily use products. Instead of leaving everything out on the counter, consider using a tray or a shallow basket to corral your essentials. This keeps them accessible but also neat and contained. It also makes cleaning the countertop easier. You can lift the whole tray, wipe down the surface, and be done in seconds. Labels can also be a game changer. Whether you're organizing inside drawers, baskets, or bins, clearly labeling each section helps you and everyone in your household know exactly where things go. It keeps the system running smoothly and reduces the chances of things ending up in the wrong place. Plus, it just looks super tidy and intentional. Something as simple as keeping a small cleaning kit in your bathroom, like disinfecting wipes, a sponge, or an all-purpose spray, can make daily maintenance more convenient. If everything you need is right there, you're more likely to wipe down the sink after use or do a quick mirror clean, keeping things looking fresh without a major time investment. Mirrors themselves deserve a little spotlight here too. In a small bathroom, mirrors do more than show your reflection. They create an illusion of space. A large mirror can instantly make the room feel wider and brighter. Some people even use mirrored tiles or multiple smaller mirrors to reflect light and add a decorative touch while still serving that same purpose. And let's not forget the pride that comes with a beautiful, functional space, even if it's tiny. When guests visit and see how well put together your bathroom is, they'll notice. They'll admire the clever storage, the thoughtful layout, and the sense of cleanliness. It's a small space that makes a big impression. So if you're dealing with a small bathroom and wondering how to make it work better for you, remember that organization is the key. Use your walls, use your doors, use containers, use zones, get creative and stay intentional. The effort you put into organizing your bathroom will absolutely pay off in how your space feels, how your routine flows, and how much more at ease you are in your own home.